What's up, guys? Let's get right into this look. So right now I am prepping the skin. I'm using my micellar water and a toner just to make sure it's cleansed. Like, you want to start on a nice clean base. Then I jump right into doing eyebrows. I don't like adding none of my primers and moisturizers before eyebrows because I feel like it kind of interferes. And the eyebrows don't do right. Like, it don't lay right. I feel like dry skin is the best way to do your eyebrows. Dry, clean skin. All right. So the eyebrow pencil I used was the Too Faced eyebrow pencil, and I love it. But that motherfucker expensive. And then to clean up, I go in with two colors. I use a lighter shade of concealer, and then in the front, I like using the foundation shade. I will be using all over her face later. And my son is all up in the business, girl. Don't mind him. Like, don't mind him. He's so nosy. So, I use a lighter concealer just to act as a eyeshadow base for this look today. And I blend it out with a nice fluffy brush. I got a little bit on her forehead, but girl, we gonna clean that up. All right. So, this look I did today, I had an inspo picture, but then as I'm starting laying eyeshadows and blending, I forgot what I was doing and I ended up freestyling. Like, it was nothing to just go look at my phone and like see the look I wanted to do. But I don't know. Like, it was the conversations, the vibes. Like, we had a great conversation. She's a lovely girl. I love her. And I just forgot. Like, she made me forgot. So it was Valentine's theme. So that was the only thing that was in my head at the time. While we was conversating. And so I go on with a lighter brown color, a darker brown color, and then you're gonna see me use like a black brown just to deepen it up a little bit more. Because I felt like it wasn't giving enough definition and contour to the eyes. Like, we literally talked the whole time. Like, she had great conversation. She's also, I think she's a Scorpio. And I get along with Scorpio so well. I don't know if it's because oh, excuse me. I don't know if it's because like I'm a Scorpio rising or what, but I do get along with Scorpios. And that's that darker color I was talking about, just deepen it up. And this turned out, it was cute at the end, but it turned out the opposite of what I wanted. Like, the look I wanted to go for, it was like, it was a nude beat with like a hint of pink. And then it was, it had gems on it. Just for like a light Valentine's Day look. But this turned to like a edgy Valentine's Day look. And you gonna see that in the set, girl. Just hold on. But look how I'm blending that though. Like, we love a blend, babe. And then I'm cutting the crease with this light concealer. I'm doing like a light cut. I'm not trying to make it extra sharp or extra perfect or anything like that. We just need like a light cut. And then she was also recording too for her vlog. I hope she don't got me on there looking a mess, girl, because I was looking like I'm in the house for 3 days straight. But you see, I didn't want it perfect. I just wanted, some little something. And then I went with a light pink, and then I'm like, nah, that's not it. So I went with like a hotter pink, and you see me blend that out. And then I went and I added a little bit of glitter just for like special effects. And then I did a wing liner and smoked it out and made that motherfucker edgy. It was cute, so not so much. And then, okay, so now you see me prepping her skin, and I went in with a moisturizer first, and now I'm going in with the primer. I used the Vitamin Face Base by Bobbi Brown, and I used the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Love that stuff. And I'm using my Too Faced concealer I used on her eyebrows for her. I'm gonna call this a pre-highlight. It's not the highlight, but it's the pre-highlight. And then I go in with her foundation, which was the NARS foundation. I totally forgot the color. Totally forgot the color. And before I blend, I like spraying the face first. And for the highlight, I like using a sponge. And then for the foundation, I like using a brush. Then now I'm going in and we're going to, contour that face. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Alright. I like taking a small little eyeshadow brush just to blend out the nose contour because I feel like it just defines it more. And now I'm going in with the highlight. See, before it was the pre-highlight. Now this is the highlight. And excuse me. Sorry. But the girls, we love a bright under eye. And that's what we doing. And that's pure. And typically I'll let this sit for a few minutes before I go in and blend it out. Girl, like we literally talked the whole time. Like we talked about literally everything. And like, if you know me, you know I get like real tunnel vision, hyper focus when I'm doing makeup and I don't talk. But she had me talking the whole time. It made me forget what look I wanted to do. And take the butt of that motherfucking beauty blender to your advantage just to blend out any harsh lines. And then I always go back with the brush I use for foundation, just to, same thing, to blend out any harsh lines, make sure everything looks together. And then I'm using a bronzer right now. And then I'm going to go with that contour. It's all in the same palette. This is a Morphe contour palette. And Morphe, we are beefing because why would you discontinue this? And I need more. Now I'm sad. Like, that was the best thing ever, and I was in love. Now I gotta find something else. So now I'm starting to set the face. I go in with setting powder, and I press that in the face first, and now I'm baking the face, which is like just leaving the powder on there. And then as I'm baking, we're gonna go to the lips, baby. And then you know me, you know I love me a nude lip. Now, I did a nude pink lip just because it's Valentine's Day. You know what I'm saying? It's pink everything around this motherfucker. You feel me? So, that was a new lip liner too. I like the way it glided on. But I don't like the undertone in the lip liner. Okay, so I went with a pink gloss, girl. This is a Sephora collection lip gloss. And, she did her job. So, yeah. And I don't like a harsh liner. So, I like to blend. So, now to keep everything monochromatic, we're going to use a pink blush. Yes, I love that blush. It's a Sephora collection blush. If you know the makeup artist, Kevin Long, he's a celebrity makeup artist. And he put me onto these blushes. Like, I love his work. He's my inspiration. And yeah, he loves Sephora collection blushes. And I love them too now. And I got like almost every color. They're so great. And then right now I'm using a highlight. It's actually a loose pigment glitter type thing. And you know the fancy highlighters that everybody are using on TikTok? It does the same thing. But you can't really see it on camera. But I got new lighting, girl. This next look that's about to drop. Best believe I'm going to show y'all again. And y'all gonna see like the real essence of the glitter. Y'all about to see in the next clip too. I think a little bit it shows. But something in my ear was like, more contour, more blush, more blush. And that's my friend. It was my friend in my ear, girl. She always tell me, add more contour, add more blush. And you know what? I did. And look, it's eating. No crumbs. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Yes, babe.